So inside your packet, there are a few different puzzles for you to choose to go through how to talk abstinence with your kids. So what I always did with my kids was I would pick one puzzle and the kids would pick another puzzle. And then you simply cut them out after you've colored them. Serve a wonderful snack of some sort, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out these puzzles. And then when you have taken the time to color with your kids and cut, you each have your own puzzle. So they're 3-piece puzzles. One piece. Let me set this aside. So then the puzzles just cut into thirds, so straight along these lines. They're super easy puzzles, but that's by design. Okay, so now what you have is 2 separate puzzles. So let's get it into the camera. So you have a puzzle that you're going to go through your script and you're going to talk about how God wants to be in the middle of everything that we do. And when a man and a woman come together and honor God in the way that He designed things, it makes a complete and beautiful picture. But if we don't include God, the picture is not complete. And you follow the script along with this and you just study it and then make it your own. But if, like the world would have you do, have your kids do, have my kids do, if you decide to try on things that are not a part of God's design, you will begin to create things the way that they were never intended to be.
And that's really all there is to it. Use the puzzles, follow the script, and have a heart-to-heart talk with your kids in a way that makes following God's design, trusting in Him, and waiting until they get married makes sense. You can download everything that you need at the link below and have fun talking with your kids about this very important topic.